Yo, what up people? Oh, you guys can't even see me. I feel like I'm a ninja with my new mask. Just got this so that way stretchy and I don't mess up my good ones. But welcome back to the vlog, and today you guys, as I mentioned in the last video, I'll be installing these LED lights on the Panda Widebody. I already taped it so that way I could better measure. What I'm gonna do is put it on like this, right? But I don't want to cut out. I don't want to cut nothing of the frame. So what I'm gonna do is get a Dremel or something and cut all this out because there's no bulb inside. As you can see inside, it's just a flat plate for the LED bulb. So there's no need for this. And what I'm gonna do is get it right to this edge right here. And then I'm just gonna 3M it onto the kit and it should be fine. Also, I'm gonna have to cut this off. Red means positive, black means negative, and connect those two to these lights. So that way it works with the blinker. At the same time, these turn on and flash when these flash. And I think we should be good. Today I really wasn't trying to vlog. I've been here for probably a few hours already, but I was like, you know what, let me vlog the process. And if you saw the last video where I painted the calipers, they're actually holding up. See? And I didn't even wash the car since the last video. It's been like a week and no brake dust, well, except for right there, but still white. I'm gonna get some new brakes or a bigger brake kit soon. So on this side, this is in the way, and I just realized it's been broken, so it could be part of the reason why I hear some rattling in my engine. I'm gonna zip tie the wire to this right here and then bring it around, but to get to the wire right here, this is in the way, so I'm gonna probably just get rid of it. As for this side, is accessible, and it's these three wires right here. So this one's the ground, red's positive, and the green, I think that's the control switch to flash. So I don't know which one I'm going to connect to just yet. What I'm actually going to do is just delete this. I have no use for it. Okay, now you guys are under here with me, and I deleted the windshield wiper tank. So I have more space, even more tire clearance now. I figured out that right here in this hole up here, that's my side blinker light right here. So what I'm gonna do is find the two wires. These two wires are my LED lights. So right here, there's these, like, not these wires, this is for the windshield wiper tank. I'm just gonna leave it here for now. I'll figure out where I'm gonna tie that up later, but this harness right here has three wires inside. It has the ground, positive, and the green wire. I believe you connected the power to the green wire so that way it flashes. Let's go on top and I'll show you. Now we're on top, and as you can see, black is ground, red is power, and green one is the signal when I switch lanes. So we're gonna connect it to that. So we're gonna connect this red wire here to that green wire there, and then the black wire to the ground wire over there. And after I get it connected, or before I connect it, I got this kit, and it has heat shrink and miniature zip ties. Using zip ties last, put the heat shrink on first, so that way once it's all connected, you just slip it on and whatever, and I just have some extra clamps just in case. I kinda don't want to do this, but I need to. Nice. Alright you guys, also, I don't know if you can see, I kind of spliced the wires, so I'm going to test it before putting it on. So I'm just going to put these onto those little pieces. At least that way I would know if the light works like how I need it to work before fully installing it and it doesn't work, and then I have to undo everything that I did. Don't want to do that. It works. Fuck yeah. Now since the light actually works, I'm going to go ahead and make a new wire longer to connect to this and just clean it up. It should be nothing special to show, but let's see how it turns out at the end. And I still have to cut this piece off, make it flat and flush. Nice. Damn, I got wires for days. I'm gonna use this one as the ground. Maybe one of these for the power. Okay, I already did my measurements. Yellow I'm gonna use for ground and red for the power. Oh my god, you guys. I freaking got pinched by the jack on my hand. It like smashed my hand. Check this out. Fuck. Yeah, the jack pinched me. Then I tried to put the jack stand underneath the car, but I accidentally hit that lever and the whole cylinder dropped right on the webbing of my hand, and now it looks like this weird. Oh my god, bro, it burns so bad. I just washed my hands to actually see what it looks like, and it burns. Okay, I just burned the fuse. I accidentally let these two wires touch, and now the blinkers are not working. My dimmer lights are on. Well, let's get under here and see which fuse. Alright, so it says right here. Where's it at? Right here. Turning signal. 75A, so let's get that. Aha, and I was right. The fuse is blown. Good thing I already bought a whole set, probably like, I don't know, a year ago. And it has every fuse that I'm ever going to need. I do mean every fuse you're going to need for your car will be right here. So 75A. 75A. And push. There it is, right there. Turn the car on. It has to be in on position. And blinkers are working. Blinkers are working, boo boo. Look at that. So I'm gonna cut these a little bit shorter, tie them up so they don't touch again and blow another fuse. And zip tie all this where I need it to go. And I'll show you guys the results after. See you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, and we're back. And I got everything dialed in, hella smooth, hella tucked, clean, set up for maybe a turbo. And on the other side, same thing. Look at that. And I'm gonna try to see if I can prop this up just a little bit. Maybe up to that hole and put something right there. And that's it. Now I just put these wires out and I cut the length I need for the light. Looks like I'm gonna have to grind it a little bit more so it sits more flush. So like this piece, just a little bit more. I'm gonna finish using with this because I got it down hella flush. See that? Okay, you guys, I got both lights pretty flat and flush. So check this out. This one's perfectly flush, but I had cut the wire, so I gotta fix that on this side. It's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna fix this at home, and I'll see if I'll have this installed tonight. So I'll see you guys in probably like an hour or two. Yo, what up you guys? You're here in my room. You guys are tall as shit. Anyways, so it is the same day. I'm going to fix these lights. I got them shaved down pretty good. It's pretty surface. And as for the broken one, it's more perfect than the one I just showed you. See, it's like perfectly leveled, as perfect as it can be. And you can already see the damage. Here, let me You get a closer look. I barely have anything to do. I'm just gonna connect it to that because I don't have like any soldering kits. I mean, I did, but I don't know what I did with it. I do have my cutter, my electrical tape, and for the wires that are on the car, I'm gonna use these things right here, so that way I'm gonna like put this one on the car, put this one on the light, so that way when I take off that fender kit for paint, I could just detach it and it should be fairly easy. With this kit right here, I have all the zip ties or heat shrink, whatever I'm going to need. And what I want to do is try to get this as best as it can be. And I also have these strips of 3M. You can see it splits in half. So what I'm going to do is poke a hole through this, and it should protect this motherboard. So I might make a small one to fit inside with a hole, and I'm gonna do another layer so that way you know, like when it rains the water gets in here. Don't want that to happen. So enjoy the quick time lapse. Alright you guys, like for 2 lights, we're working on this thing all day, man. And I don't know if you guys can see, well, you can somewhat see, but it does look a lot better than it being just a hole. I'll get the light for you. Ooh, and it is straight. Ooh, hella dope. Key in. There we go, there we go. Oh my god, bro, that looks fucking dope. On camera it might look a little weird. That's the best I can do for you guys. It is 11:57 and Friday the 13th was yesterday. The other side wasn't working. And what I did was put a wad of like tape and more 3M. Look at that. Money. The little flasher is flashing. Let's see if we can get all of them working at the same time. This side is working. Ooh. Nice. Guys, also try to remember that these side marker lights, they're for Honda S2k. I'll put a link down below if you guys like these. It wasn't designed for this car. If I'm correct, that the original Honda ones that come with these, like the Japan ones, they're a little bit smaller. This one's a little bit longer. Okay, you guys, I mean, that's it. As you can see, both blinkers on both sides are working. So I am done for today. I am really tired. I still gotta edit this video, and I didn't even plan the vlog today, but hey, this is not a normal Civic, and in the future I got bigger plans. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. I'm out here sacrificing a lot of time for you guys, but then again, it's also for myself too, journal wise and all that. But I'm just vlogging the things that I love and documenting it, but at the same time you guys seem to enjoy it, and all I ask for is you guys subscribe or put a like on it. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content. See you guys next time, and peace out.